Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Discord. Discord is most popularly known as chat app for gamers, enabling them to yell expletives and curse each other's mothers with ease. Yet the blinding white windows of Discord's default theme can throw off the dark vibe, shining stark and unflattering light on your shameful behavior. Fortunately, Discord does have a softer dark mode, so you can continue to sit in dark and ignore unpleasant truths about the type of person you have become. Here's how to turn on dark mode in Discord. Open the Discord app, tap the hamburger icon in the top right corner, and this will open a menu. Tap on the settings and click or tap Appearance to open another menu. Then tap Theme. Click or tap Dark to select Discord's dark theme. And you can also switch to the app's light theme or choose to sync the theme to your operating system. On mobile, a toggle at the bottom of the Appearance menu will also allow you to sync your Discord theme across clients. This means whatever theme you choose in your mobile app will also apply to Discord on desktop and vice versa. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.